This small wooden dining table has been so beautiful in our space, so I wanted to show it off, give a full review, and hopefully it helps. We've actually used this in multiple homes now, and it's so easy to style, so versatile, and can definitely be used with multiple colors surrounding it, different chairs, different decor, and different settings. While it is built more compact and has thinner legs and a thinner tabletop, it is still so nice and sturdy. It has held up wonderfully to our toddler climbing all over it, no wobbling or issues of any sort in that sense. The tabletop itself also has a clear coat on it that keeps it protected and has definitely withstood the wrath of our toddler and the many meals we've been able to have here. I love the look of this table because it has so many different tones of that brown wood look in it, so you can have the darks and the lights, which really allows more versatility in the tones around the table as well. Along with being beautiful and compact but sturdy, it also is very easy to build. It actually only takes 2 bolts at each of the legs that are just tightened with a simple Allen key. I have had so much fun styling this table with all the different looks out there, and definitely recommend as a great compact but very versatile wood dining room table.